Intro. Your brain contains about 86 billion neurons. That's a staggering number, more stars than are in some galaxies. But here are 9 facts that make even that number feel like the beginning. Did you know your brain generates enough electricity to power a low-wattage LED bulb? The total length of all axons could wrap around the Earth 4 times. When you remember, you rebuild a memory from scratch, which is why it can change over time. These aren't just trivia. They are clues, breadcrumbs into a labyrinth, the most complex object we know in the universe, the one sitting right between your ears. We say, I think, not my brain thinks. Most of what your brain does happens without your permission, or even your awareness. It's a hidden world of electrical storms, chemical ballets, and cellular gardeners working in the dark. So, what is really going on up there? How does this 3-pound lump of fatty tissue create your reality? Your thoughts, your fears, your love for pizza. We're going to peel back the layers, one shocking fact at a time. Ready? Let's get started, or as your brain would say, let's initiate a complex cascade of electrochemical signals. Some neurons transmit at over 200 miles per hour, nearly 100 meters per second, faster than a Formula One car at top speed. That speed pulls your hand away before you consciously register pain. It comes from an all-or-nothing spike called an action potential. Myelin insulation lets signals jump node to node, saltatory conduction, the biological express train for urgent messages, danger, or that joke is funny, all in milliseconds. Chapter 2. Every time you learn, you physically change your brain. Synaptic plasticity, long-term potentiation, strengthens well-used pathways. Like a path in a field, repetition makes the route faster and easier. Practice reinforces connections until the skill becomes second nature. Memories aren't in one place. They're woven across networks. Chapter 3. Mood, motivation, and focus ride a chemical cocktail. Dopamine, serotonin, GABA. Famous, but context matters. Your brain is a DJ. The mix makes the mind. Same transmitter, different effects by region and receptor. Dopamine drives action and reward, and fine movement. Too little in one circuit yields Parkinson's. Dysregulation in another links to addiction and schizophrenia. It's a high-stakes balance, your reality modulated by subtle shifting chemical tides. Chapter 4. Glial cells aren't glue, they're active managers and gardeners. As numerous as neurons, glia fuel, tune, and protect the network. Chapter 5. Your brain is 2% of you, but devours about 20% of your energy and oxygen. Endless ion pumping and synaptic resets keep 86 billion neurons ready to spike, millions of times a minute. Chapter 6. The blood-brain barrier is a hyper-selective security detail. It keeps toxins and pathogens out to preserve delicate chemistry. Great for defense, hard for medicine. Scientists sneak drugs in like Trojan horses. Old myth. No new brain cells. Reality. Adult neurogenesis exists, especially in the hippocampus, learning and memory HQ. And lifelong plasticity means habits, thoughts, and environments reshape your neural landscape. New skills forge connections, and strengthen old ones. You help wire your own brain. Deepest mystery. How does wet biology produce you? The feel of red, the sound of C minor, the awareness of watching. Consciousness. One idea. IIT. Consciousness equals a system's capacity to integrate information. Lots of data isn't enough. Integration makes a unified experience. Are we a fleeting, beautiful pattern in the noise? Brains aren't isolated, they sync. Conversation creates neural coupling, better sync, better understanding and connection. Which fact blew your mind, VIP bouncer or brain-to-brain sync? Comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.